Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Funke Aware. Today's video is about this awesome luscious lace frontal wig from Air by Anney. I love it. It's red. Red is my favorite color in case you were wondering. Anyway, this is how it looks. It's a blunt cut wig. It comes with a wig cap, of course. And I'm just gonna take it out carefully out of the bag. And yeah, this is how it's looking. I love this wig, guys. The lace is transparent, which is amazing. Like, it's just gonna blend perfectly with any skin types. You can see how it's blending with my fingers. Like, it's just perfect. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the inside. It comes with 3 pins just to secure your head, to stay on your head rather. It's just going to stay secured on your head. It's not going to shift if you're worried about that. You might not even need to go through the stress of sticking it to your head. It's still going to sit, but yeah, anyway, I'm just going to start by taking my got2b glue. I'm just going to start putting it around the perimeters of my hairline. You want to make sure you bring the wig cap forward, just right on top of your eyebrows, or just past the place where you're going to cut it, because you don't want to end up with the wig cap shifting back and then the thick part now ends up being at the back. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my blasting spray, the got2b glue spray. You can use either the gel alone or the spray alone. The spray alone works more efficiently, but you can use both of them. I just wanted to use both of them just so it lasts longer. Anyway, so I'm going to stick it to make sure it's tacky by using my blow dryer. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess part of the wig cap. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just carefully using my hand to make it slip. Just cutting it off. I'm just making sure everything slips. As I'm cutting it, I'm gonna use my hand just to press it down. So now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and just spray the wig with some leave-in conditioner so all the flyaways stays down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace from the wig. Another reason why I love this wig is because it comes already customized. Apart from the fact that the lace is transparent and it will fit anybody's skin, it already comes pre-plucked, so you don't have to worry about pre-plucking again. Carefully cutting it off. I don't want all my baby hairs to go away, so I'm just gonna leave it. Just gently placing the wig on my head, pushing it back to where I want the hairline to start. As you can see, it's matching very well with my bald cap, and basically the cap matches well with my skin because I chose a darker brown cap. I didn't use the usual light one. I asked for a darker brown. So I'm just going to put that blasting spray at my sideburns because I want my sideburns to lay down really well. I want it to slip down and it won't be rising up. So I'm just going to use my blow dryer to stick it and just secure it finally. Now that I'm done with the wig, and as you can see, it's all secured and laid down flat and really nice, I'm just going to go ahead and secure it with a scarf. So yes guys, this is it. This is how it's looking after I took off the scarf. Before I took off the scarf, I decided to put on some makeup. And yeah, while I was doing the makeup, I guess foundation didn't get to some parts and some powder. So I'm just using that to blend out the hairline with powder so everything blends out perfectly. My face is really oily right now because I have oily skin and it was really hot that day. Anyway, so yeah guys, I'm just gonna use my hand to manipulate the hair into different parts. The hair is amazing and really soft, as you can see. I'm going to leave down all their information in the description section so you guys can check them out and just get yourself some amazing hair. Anyway guys, this is it. I hope you guys loved this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you give me a thumbs up as well. And yes guys, stay awesome. Bye.